This guitar features the Babicz full contact hardware. This model here will be on all of them moving forward. This is an older version that I believe they updated to this one. Let me explain how this works. I'm using this specific model on the rest of all the builds, and here's why. This bridge features locking screws, so that way when you do put the piece into its intonation position, you can lock that down for extra reassurance. There is a lock screw and an adjustment screw for this system that they are proprietary to, which is a cylinder system for raising your string up for string height. So basically, this little cylinder comes up, and that's how you start getting your string height. That's what that does. And then you have your standard screw, Phillips screw for that adjustment before you lock them down. And lastly, the reason why I love this bridge is not only because it looks just so sharp and forward thinking, but it is so comfortable on your palm when you are playing this instrument for palm muting and anything such as that.